For millions of young people, it starts with a notification, a scroll, a video, then another. But in a federal courtroom in California, 4 states argue that what looks like an ordinary social media experience is something far more serious. Products deliberately designed to keep children hooked. Another 25 states will go to trial later. Families who've been affected spoke before the proceedings began.
My son's name is Riley Bassford, and he is forever 15. He was almost 16 when he took his own life after a 5-hour encounter with an adult criminal posing as a beautiful young woman. He was from the Ivory Coast. They call it spontaneous suicide. I call it what it was: the predictable outcome of a system that protects corporations instead of children.
States accuse Meta of using features like infinite scrolling, the like button, and notifications to addict young users, similar to the legal arguments made against big tobacco in the 1990s. They also accuse the company of misleading parents and the public about the risks and violating federal child privacy laws. But Meta points to dozens of safety tools it has developed over the years to protect young people, like automatically restricting who can message or view content from minors and expanding parental supervision tools. In a statement, the company says, "We've consulted with parents, policymakers, and safety experts throughout this process to ensure their expertise informs the changes we make." The stakes for Meta are enormous. The states are seeking roughly $200 billion in damages and changes to the way Meta operates. That's nearly 14% of the entire stock value of the company. And if they lose, it could mean restrictions on features designed to keep users engaged. In March, Meta and YouTube were found liable in a personal injury case in California and ordered to pay $6 million. Just this month, a New Mexico judge ordered Meta to pay damages of nearly $1 billion for violating consumer protection laws. But this case is much bigger, potentially setting a precedent for how far social media companies can go to keep young people online and how accountable they can be held for the consequences. McKend, Al Jazeera, Washington.